Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to be writing our spelling words and see if we can find a word to rhyme with it. So, the first word we're going to write is hot. Please write hot. Good. Now let's see if we can come up with a word that rhymes with hot. How about caught? K-a-t. Good. Now let's do the word cop. Write those sounds for cop. K-a-p. Cop. Now if we just change the first letter of cop to a new letter, then we can write a new word that rhymes. So let's do hop. Very good. Okay. Let's do our next word. Not. N-a-t. Not. Now let's change the first letter and see if we can come up with a new word. How about bought? B-a-t. Bought. Good. Let's do number 4. Dog. D-a-g. Dog. What word could we write with dog? How about hog? H-a-g. Hog. Number 5. Let's do the word cob. K-a-b. Cob. Change the first letter to make a new rhyming word. Instead of cob, let's do bob. B-a-b. Bob. Good. Next word, number 6. Hop. H-a-p. Hop. So if we change the first letter of hop to, if we change the H to T, we have top. T-O-P. Very good. Next word, let's do pot. P-a-t. Pot. What could we change pot to rhyme? How about d? Change the p to a d. Dot. D-a-t. Dot. Let's do, for number 7, let's do mop. M-a-p. Mop. What could we change mop to? How about b? Bop. B-a-p. Bop. 2 more. Let's do the word mom. M-a-m. What could we change mom to rhyme with? How about nom? That's a silly word. N-a-m. And our last word. Let's do the word dot. D-a-t. Dot. What could rhyme with dot? How about rot? R-a-t. Rot. Good job, boys and girls. Great work with your word work today. Please turn this into the basket and get started on Lexia.